Hi, I'm Megan with Food Match. I live outside of Chicago, Illinois, and I'm here today to show you how to make goulash. Welcome, and thanks for being a part of the Pilot Light family meal today. Here are the ingredients you'll need for today's recipe to make goulash. 2 pounds of ground beef, elbow macaroni, 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 diced yellow onion, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, ground black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, Worcestershire sauce, and sea salt. Regular salt is fine too. First step is to bring your pot to a medium warm temperature. Then you're going to add the 2 pounds of ground beef, and break that up a little bit so it gets nice and crumbly. Then we're going to add our onion and green pepper. And then as it starts to simmer, we're going to toss it all together. Mix it up really well, and then we're going to let it cook until the meat turns completely brown. The onion and garlic, or onion and green pepper are going to give it great flavor. All right, let's check in and see how it's doing. The beef is starting to brown nicely. It smells wonderful. The onion and green pepper are flavoring the meat. All that's in here right now is the beef and the diced onion and diced green pepper. The rest of the ingredients that you saw earlier will get added soon. While we're waiting for the beef and vegetables to finish cooking, I thought we could prep the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to use a can opener to open the 4 cans of product that we're going to add next to our recipe. Remember, it's 2 cans of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of tomato sauce. And then next we're going to measure out 1 cup of elbow macaroni. And the great thing about goulash, it's a really easy, flexible recipe. You can grab a lot of different ingredients from the pantry or your freezer or refrigerator. So I've got elbow macaroni here. We're going to measure out 1 cup. Oops. There we go. All right, let's check on the beef. All right, it's looking great. I think we're pretty much done here. It's nice and crumbled. The onion and green pepper are well cooked, but they're not overcooked. All right, let's add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna put the diced tomatoes in first. And then we're gonna add the tomato sauce. All right, and now we've got our paprika, one of my favorite spices. And we're gonna do just a sprinkle of sea salt or regular salt's fine too. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic if you want for this too. And then a couple shakes of Worcestershire sauce. All right, let's mix it all together. Get a little closer so you all can see. Some of the recipes recommend that you drain off the fat that's produced during the cooking process of the ground beef. I personally like to leave that. I think it gives it a lot of flavor. And then when you add the macaroni, which is the last step, it absorbs a lot of that liquid too. All right, let's check it out. Yum. Alrighty, so we have all of our ingredients mixed together except for the elbow macaroni. We need to let this simmer for about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna turn the heat back, lower it down a little bit and let it sit for 15. Be right back. This is looking great. We've got 1 more minute to go, and then we'll do our final step of the recipe, which is adding in the elbow macaroni. It smells incredible. Looks delicious. All right, the timer just went off, and now it's time to do the last step of the recipe, which is to add the macaroni. So we're gonna take off the lid, add it in here, give it a really good stir. Make sure all the macaroni is well stirred and covered by the ground beef and the vegetables and the rest of the liquid mixture. And then we're gonna let this simmer covered for 20 minutes. And during that time, the pasta will absorb what's left of the liquid in here. It'll become perfectly tender. All right, I'm excited to see the finished product. See you in a few. Thanks for joining me. Tag us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal. And be sure to visit the Food Education Center. Click on Family Resources for today's recipe, additional activities to do related to today's recipe, and for additional family lessons and videos.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal.